For 40 years, we've developed and produced gas-insulated medium-voltage switchgear for primary and secondary distribution, sending them worldwide from here. We are currently transforming to F-gas-free medium-voltage switchgear called Blue GIS. Here, we exclusively use the climate-neutral insulating medium, clean air, which consists solely of natural components from the ambient air. Siemens is focusing on technologies that reduce CO2 emissions and create sustainable networks for future generations. I would like to welcome my colleague Andra, who will lead you through the production process.
I'm Andra Seidler, leading the transformation division at the Frankfurt switchgear facility. I coordinate all activities concerning changes, communication, and sustainability efforts. Here we stand at an 8DAB40, the newest product in the Blue GIS family, which features a rated voltage of up to 40.5 kilovolts. Sustainability also plays a significant role in the supply chain, as we are already sourcing green steel for our plants. The goal for 2025 is to have 50% of the steel used in the SwitchgearFactory be CO2 reduced. Additionally, we source aluminum alloys from suppliers that reduce CO2 emissions. This indicates that energy-efficient methods and renewable energy sources are utilized in the aluminum manufacturing process. The disposal of laser dust from our laser cutting machines is another significant issue. In the past, this was disposed of in an underground landfill. The EHS team has collaborated with the waste disposal provider to find an alternative solution. The laser dust is now recycled by a certified disposal specialist. This company specializes in the processing of dust and sludge materials in a highly efficient manner. Now, we recycle the laser dust instead of dumping it. As a result, our facility no longer has landfill waste and has already met one of Siemens' goals from our Siemens degree framework. The recycled materials from laser and stand machines are also scrapped and sent back to the recycler for further reuse. All consumers in the plant are equipped with energy meters. Consumption is recorded, data is analyzed and optimized in collaboration with the teams. The hall lighting has also been converted to energy-efficient LED technology with daylight control, resulting in further savings. Hi Pierre, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Pierre. I have spent 17 years working at the Frankfurt switchgear factory and have been a planner there for 4 years.
You and the entire team are constantly working to optimize and improve processes, big and small improvements. Could you give us 1 or 2 examples?
Sure, gladly. One example would be the reduction of plastics. By shaping the plus parts to allow direct attachment of cables to the mushroom buttons, we no longer need plastic fasteners.
At the Frankfurt switchgear factory, we embody manufacturing made in Germany, with a high level of manufacturing depth and years of experience in production and development of forward-looking technologies.